think the shift in technology is very real now, and all industries are getting impacted. Healthcare has been slightly late in terms of getting impacted with IoT, robotics, and so on and so forth. However, now we see that the speed has come up, and be it personal healthcare monitoring, be it let's say analytics in the area of diagnostics. So every area there is an experimentation going on. Now this is going to lead to a lot of changes for workplace itself. The healthcare monitoring, delivery, as well as diagnostics is going to become more and more technology driven, which means lesser and lesser human intervention would happen in the area of diagnostics. We may still have let's say personal intervention when you want to take a sample. However, the interpretation part is completely becoming let's say digitalized or digitized, you can say. So it is really starting to make its impact in the area of healthcare as well.